Rain is water, which is H2O, and H2O is just two hydrogen molecules connected to an oxygen molecule, which you're going to learn all about later down the road in like middle school, but for right now we're just going to focus on rain, which is water. Water, rain, falls from the sky because of gravity. It falls out of our clouds because it gets all heavy in there, and gravity makes it fall, which, rain feeds our earth. It gives us water to drink. It gives our crops and vegetables and flowers and trees and grass and everything like that. It causes them to grow by providing them with nutrients and just life. There's no living organism that can survive without water. Now I'm going to show you what you need so we can make our own rain cloud. I'm going to use a clear vase. You can use a clear cup or a clear jar or anything, but just so you can see water, you're going to need to put the water in it, but don't fill it all the way up to the top because we're going to use shaving cream. You're going to need shaving cream to make the cloud. Okay, once you finish putting about 2 to 3 inches of shaving cream on top of your water, you're now going to take food coloring. But be very careful with the food coloring because food coloring can stain countertops, clothes, your skin, anything like that. So be very careful. And you also need to get like a paper towel or something to put your experiment on so you don't make too big of a mess. Now we're going to take some food coloring. I'm going to use blue because, rain is kind of blue. Now when you put the food coloring in, be very careful and get like a parent to do it or get a parent to watch you while you do it. You're going to sprinkle or drop some food coloring on top of our cloud. And it's going to take a minute. What if we use another color so we have multicolor raindrops? You see, there it goes. There's some rain falling from the sky, or our cloud. Let's use red. Look how cool it is falling. This is showing how when rain is in our fluffy clouds in the sky, it gets so heavy that it falls. Okay, so I added all the colors, but look at it, it's cool. Look how fast it's falling. This is showing how rain weighs more than the clouds, so that means gravity pulls it to the ground. Isn't that cool? I want you to do this at home, but I want you to play around with it. I want you to try to make all kinds of colors and, make cool looking clouds with different shapes and try it with more water or less water and just see what happens. So I hope you all had fun today doing this because I know I did. It's really cool seeing how simple things like rain just falling from the sky are easily demonstrated through just simple things you have at home. Some things we never will understand unless we actually see it. I never could understand how rain sat in clouds. It just didn't make sense. But then I realized that rain can be heavy because, water can be heavy, and that's why rainstorms happen.